Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Mommy Pig, Peppa Pig, and George Pig at the fire station. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Mommy Pig. I draw her eyes, her nose, and the shape of her head. Then I draw her smiling mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw a firefighter hat on the top of her head. Then I draw her body. And her legs. She wears boots. In her hands, I'm going to draw Peppa Pig. She is going to hug her. I draw her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. Now I draw her mouth. And a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears. Her arms like this. I draw her tail. And finally, her two legs. Now I draw a metal pipe where the firefighters slide down. Peppa wants to hold it. Let's draw little George. I draw his eyes, his nose, and the shape of his head. I draw his mouth and a circle for his cheek. I draw his ears, and now I draw his body, his legs, shoulders, and arms. Now I draw his tail. Also, he is on the top of the metal tube. These little pigs are having a lot of fun. I draw a line here for the ground. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I color Mommy Pig. Her skin is pink. Then I use light purple for her cheek. For her firefighter suit, I use yellow. And red. Now let's color Peppa Pig. I use this pink marker for her skin. Then I use light purple for her cheek. For her mouth, I use two different shades of red. I color her dress with this red marker. Let's continue with George Pig. For George Pig's skin, I'm going to use the same pink marker as for Peppa. I also color his cheek light purple. For his mouth, I use two different shades of red. Finally, I use this blue marker for his outfit. For the metal tubes, I use gray. I color the floor with orange. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.